50 meters. Now turn right onto St. Antoniasburg. Please make a U-turn now and continue to follow Jager's Drive. Now turn right onto St. Antoniasburg. Please turn left at the end of the road onto Langebaan. Now turn left onto Jager's Drive. Please follow the E34 for 19 kilometers. Please say the address or the line number.
3.
Line 3. Would you like to start route guidance without a house number?
Yes.
Zoosel, let's go.